Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? How to start YouTube channel skill gain YouTube blogging and YouTube channel creating, the how to make money on Fiverr. I am the total details on Fiverr. Same things, you are the first time create a YouTube channel. This is thumbnail YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel. Okay, create a YouTube channel creating total settings my own video provide my YouTube channel. The This is the time of how to create a YouTube channel and YouTube work, total YouTube work, YouTube work. The lot of YouTube work system. Your first time YouTube creating the your channel your categories must be important. Category you can channel can be created at viewers or the butter the entertainment, education, lifestyle, news, event, technology, beside it, etc, etc. But your completely YouTube skill and completely YouTube creation and YouTube skill. I am the marketplace on the Fiverr. Fiverr here the first time charge on YouTube. YouTube. Okay. I am search on YouTube. YouTube the Fiverr search bar searches, then the provide YouTube thumbnail, YouTube promotion, YouTube channel create, YouTube into YouTube shortage, YouTube videos, YouTube monetization. You are the just professional YouTube servicing, lot of income on the YouTube, lot of income of in YouTube, YouTubing, work on the service sale, the freelancing, the marketplace. The first time I can suggest this result is digital marketing. The Fiverr category digital marketing. The category the SEO, so social media, video marketing, etc, etc. Social media, social media management, social media paid. Okay, social media. I am the searching the social media management, the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. I need just YouTube. Okay, I click on YouTube. The YouTube lot of service, the high budget YouTube lot of service, the new seller, best seller, the YouTube business, how it create social media, YouTube. Your specific searches on YouTube. YouTube channel create, YouTube number, YouTube channel create, YouTube channel create lot of sellers, lot of seller. This is the seller, top rated seller, lot of seller, then seller, YouTuber, lot of YouTube seller. This seller is a top rated seller, the more lot of income, $250, $250, and same as like is the YouTube channel create and YouTube videos, YouTube video SEO, YouTube video creation, how to make money or YouTube video creation. The video editing, lot of software uses the video editing. A lot of you can research the Fiverr market, video editing. Okay, YouTube video SEO. SEO. Okay, YouTube SEO. This is a top rated seller. The top rated seller YouTube video SEO, and the YouTube video SEO very easy and simple work. YouTube video SEO. Lot of client you discuss the searching in Fiverr. Okay, YouTube video SEO. Okay, phase 1, 2, 3 is the searches. As YouTube video SEO, this in present time just to order your $10 $50. Your YouTube marketing, YouTube completely YouTube work is skill, then the YouTube SEO, video editing, video creating, lot of YouTube video SEO, this person $360. The lot of make money 577 577 577 into $360. This is a 277 7,072 and 2,707,720 income for this YouTube search engine SEO. You can study and a lot of make money on Fiverr marketplace, YouTube channel, then YouTube videos, YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. You can YouTube thumbnail creator, Illustrator, Photoshop. A lot of people, the top rated seller 150. A lot of people you can research in the Fiverr marketplace how to make money. Lot of make money out of online platform. Okay, a lot of make money. This is the platform on $120. The top rated seller. A lot of people the work of YouTube. Your how to easy the YouTube thumbnail design on graphic design, the Canva free design, Illustrator, Photoshop, etc., etc. How to make money? You can YouTube channel work the how to make money, gain the Fiverr marketplace, Upwork marketplace, YouTube channel creation, YouTube short, YouTube thumbnail creation, video editing, YouTube SEO, etc., etc. You can start today's the YouTubing, blogging, the YouTube blog, the three type incomes, sponsor ad, Google ad, YouTube partner ad, AdCam ad, etc. The local market, social media market platform, etc., etc. Thank you, my friend. Yeah, you can the YouTube work complete the lot of make money, how to make money, the online platform and YouTube monetization. Okay, lot of people the service YouTube monetization. YouTube monetization, lot of people service how to lot of make money YouTube monetization. This is the $100 YouTube monetization. Mm. The lot of service, the marketplace, how to make money, YouTube monetization, YouTube short, etc., etc. You can study 2 days the Fiverr marketplace, $1 to $10,000 per month income, the YouTube work and blogging, etc., etc. Thank you, best. Thank you, my friend. Best of luck.